know how much I saved with the iTerra Care. I saved 2 million. I was able to climb the stairs. Amazing, because the X-ray showed degenerative changes, which comes with aging.
We used the iTerra Care Classic for 1 week. Wala na, control na. And I was eating in moderation all what the book says, that you cannot eat this because it has uric acid. So I challenged iTerra Care. You said in your certification, in your clinic results, that it's working good. It will increase metabolism, because I believe uric acid in the joints, when heated up, it increases metabolism. And uric acid will be metabolized, and it cannot deposit on the joints. So no more gout. I stopped my pain relievers. I stopped my gout medicines, and that's it. I'm eating pork, chicken. I'm eating all those things that the book says you are not allowed to eat it. But I'm eating it all now. This is the machine. This is the frequency that I have been waiting for. And God gave it to us.
I don't feel the pain anymore. I did the whole procedure, the blowering procedure. Years, I had very deep sleep.
After how many years?
Yes, because it's a six-year ordeal. It was a 6-year ordeal for me.
What is the pain? Pain level?
About 8.
8?
Ako po si Dr. Pauline Bacani Kimson, isa pong medical doctor at psychologist na mahigit na ng 30 taon. Nais ko sanang ibahagi sa inyo ang aking maikling testimonial tungkol sa iTerra Care Classic at iTerra Care Pro. Ngayon po, 2.5 years later, manumbalik na po yung lakas ko, no? Kayang-kaya na po. At walang pain. Yun po yung malaking bagay sa akin. Dati araw-araw yung migraine headache ko rin. Yung bang umipintig, tapos masakit ang mata. Yung kailangan nasa dilim ako, bawal ako sa ilaw, sa ingay, sa mga tao. Kasi ayan, masusuka ka sa sakit niya. Isa pa yan na natulungan na manumbalik din ang kaginhawaan sa aking katawan. Sana po ibukas yung inyong puso, ibukas yung inyong isip, maaaring makatulong din sa inyo o kaya sa inyong mahal sa buhay.
I really recommend iTerra Care. Alam kung bakit sinasabi natin lagi na health is wealth. No? Hindi kailangan ikaw ay may sakit para gumamit ka ng iTerra Care. Ang preventive medicine is the best. Nag-iisip tayo ng investment, nag-iisip tayo ng mga regalo sa ating mga loved ones, particularly our parents. For a Christmas gift, this is the best device. Alam niyo, mahal magpa-hospital eh. The most expensive bed is actually a hospital bed. Okay, so this is a small price to pay, no, for being healthy. So please try the iTerra Care system now.
Itong simpleng hair blow dryer na to ay madami na palang natulungan sa buong mundo, lalo na sa Amerika. Ang daming testimonials na nagsasabi natulungan sila. Katulad ng mga pasyenteng may sakit sa ugat, katulad ng stroke, Parkinson's, carpal tunnel syndrome. Tapos sa masakit ng mga likod, na katulad ng slip disc, sciatica, muscle strain, etc. Tapos nakakatulong din to sa mga osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gouty arthritis. Tapos, nakamamangha pa, ito ay nag-stimulate ng stem cell differentiation para bumata tayo. Kaya nga ho, tara, samahan mo ako, pag-usapan natin tungkol dito.
I work in the medical field for 41 years, helping people get better. I'm part of the surgical team. It's called Intervention Radiology. This is a phenomenal product. The only reason why I'm here to thank everyone on the price for giving us this opportunity to have this device on our hand. Huwag po kayong matatakot. Hindi po tayo ang may kailangan sa mga tao. Sila po may kailangan.
So, Doc, for 41 years of serving in the medical field sa US, ngayon yun ang po nakita ganito kagandang program.
Absolutely. Crazy. I tell you, ang mga tao po sa US, sila na po kumakatok sa amin. I can tell you, in the next 3 months, everyone in the US will have one device in their house. Wow.